Alright, so I'm working on this Gemini Wing bootleg board here, and the CPU is stuck in reset, and it's got this really basic power on reset circuit of a resistor, capacitor, and diode. I changed the capacitor thinking that could be the problem, but it wouldn't go high, it just kept staying low, which made no sense. If I severed the connection, it would go high, but as soon as it connected back to the circuit, it would go low, so I was wondering if maybe the CPU was shorted. But I followed the trace, and it goes all the way over here to pin 15. And pin 15 is the test switch. And I just so happened to have an actual on-off switch attached, soldered straight to the button because I needed it. Most games use a button, but some games need a switch, so I just added that on. And it was in that position. So in that position, the game does not boot. But you turn off the test switch, and there it goes. And it actually, I verified in MAME, it actually goes into the test mode every time you turn the board on. And I guess if you don't touch anything for a few seconds, then it just boots into the game. How strange. A lot of wasted time trying to figure out what was wrong here, and it was just my test switch. Oh well.